Good morning, beautiful people. This is what we're working with today, and I don't know how long this project is gonna take us, Cocoa, but I give you the rundown. Last year, I put grass, and this individual here, plus the chickens, destroyed it. Long story short, Cocoa, we need to put a gate here, Coco, that protects you and her and the chickens from going here. Okay, so that's step, I don't know what step number is that. We have to figure out this flooring. I want to restore, so it has some cracks, as you can see, and I want to restore it. I want to cover the holes. I want to clean it really good. I want to paint it and maybe even put a door there. I'm not sure. This melted due to the heat, and the reason we need something here, I have adorable neighbors next door, but we always afraid that they will escape. So we need to fix that at some point this year. Not everything is gonna get done today. That vine tree was green. Grapes that we did not really enjoy, truthfully, so we brought here the Kankar, which is the real black one, juicy, like the one you drink, the Kedem juice. I don't know if you're familiar with that juice, but this vine tree hopefully is gonna cover this whole area and bring us shade. And I would love to put grass back on because I love earthing and I feel that I need some grass in my backyard. So let's see what we are working with here. And if it's the first day of spring break and I am freezing here. Why? I have so much stuff to do. It's freezing. But I need to be outside getting some vitamin D and trying to make this place pretty for all the barbecues and the 2026 summer. But I'm honestly cold, very cold. But you know what I was thinking? Will I be able to rescue this part? This is the sod that I bought from Home Depot last year, and I'm curious if I take it out, redo this section, plant, I have grass seeds, will it grow? Let's get started cleaning this area and start burning some wood and make a fire to keep us a little warm here. Why not? All right, I'm actually gonna try to clean that with these knuckleheads playing there, but that's what they do all day long. And don't mind me, I can't find the other glove, so I have to righty. I'm lefty. I'm gonna get all those sticks out of the firewood place that I've been collecting and putting them into that bucket, as well as this ones. And we'll have some chorizos lately. Hello friend, if this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and this project was supposed to be just clearing out the flooring, throwing some grass seeds, cleaning this barbecue place, and keep it very simple. I thought in my mind I was gonna be done in one day, but it's still Wednesday and I'm still going at it. And the reason for that is after a 5-hour first day, I was in my bed thinking, what else can I do to this area? And I asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me this inspiration. And on that day, I went to sleep at 2 o'clock in the morning thinking about everything that I have in my backyard, that it was recycled, found on the curb to make this place as bougie as that picture that I just showed you. And this is why this is probably going to be a series that I'm going to bring you the second part tomorrow. But my pets were too cute on this day, and I don't want you to miss that pet therapy today. So last year I had a truck coming into my house and donating some mulch. But the deal was you had to take the entire truck, not half. And that was a little mistake that I made because now I have too much mulch. So it raised this section of the floor about 2 inches, and I quite don't like it, to be honest with you, but I can't throw all that mulch out. I thought I was gonna be able to bag it up and put it on the curb for the recycle people to take it. You know, the ones that the truck that passes by just to get your leaves and trees and shrubs. I see that the sod is still there, so I think the plan is going to be no longer to remove all this mulch, but to level it up. And I'm probably not gonna film everything because this is probably gonna take me about 4 hours. But basically, I'm gonna try to see if I can level the mulch underneath. I'm not sure if you can see, but hello, Azul. Excuse me, I'm talking with our friends here. Move over. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but oh, hi, Cocoa. We're talking with them. Okay, all right, thank you. Oh, I love you so much. Oh, thank you. All right. Not sure if the camera is gonna capture how rich is that soil underneath. I actually ended up putting it here because mulch is supposed to turn into this most gorgeous dirt. If there were some way I can keep that. But anyhow, you could see I'm also trying to clean the edge of the cinder blocks that holds our garage. And now I'm gonna peel this back very gently. But I'm taking the pieces of sod and try to patch it and see what happens. This is gonna be a big job, and this right here is what helps me get my body through teaching throughout the day, but most importantly through doing tasks like this. At the end of the day, I have one of this. Throughout the day I have one of this, and what happens is my body at night feels much better. Otherwise, here, menopausal lady, I'll be suffering. But this helps me with my body aches, stay hydrated, motivates me to drink more water, honestly, because water is not my jam. Just gonna be honest. This is all you need. I like my water cold. Okay, you just put it in your water. You shake it. I will link this below. It's not sponsored. I've been using Element for, we're in 2026, I believe 4 years. Okay? And that's how we do it around here. That's how we do it. Plus some vitamin D. You can't go wrong with that. All right, let's go finish this floor. Hi, it's been about an hour since I've been working in this section with it, which is not much, by the way. And I am not sure how much of that sod I can rescue, which is a little sad because honestly, I don't want to spend more money. Now I realize I can amend this and eventually it's going to continue to break down. We still have this entire section, that's the length of the garage, plus I believe this is 8 feet or 10, maybe 10. So I don't know where else am I gonna put the rest of the dirt. So far I've been putting most of it in there. It's just from that section. I got this buckets filled. Cocoa wants to say hello. Oh man, this is gonna be hotter than I thought. Let me introduce you to the girls that have destroyed this area of my backyard. So this is the last time they're gonna have for this, which is today. So have fun, ladies. I cannot wait for you to see how this place is being transformed. It is very cold here, still in Jersey. However, I put a raised bed up. I planted some flowers, the most beautiful rose. And I will be mesmerized looking back at this video and all the effort that I put in. I'm thinking in mid-July while I'm chilling in the pool, or slowly transforming my entire backyard. I understand this is probably not the most aesthetically pleasing video to see, but it's a reality. This is step by step how I'm transforming this area, and I am so grateful that you are hanging out here with me, seeing it all happen. If you're wondering where I put the rest, it's right there. And here we're gonna build a deck. The dog's cage is gonna go on the bottom, stairs that are gonna come out of there, and it's gonna look beautiful. Right, Solara? All right, let me put you up on the menu. We are going to use White Bull's seasoning. If you use the code AWESOME, you get $10 off at checkout or 10% off, something like that. And make sure you follow us on Instagram. I will link everything down below. I've been using this for a very long time now, and I'm obsessed. And this is actually buffalo, okay, short ribs that I purchased from a farm. And this is buffalo flank steak. And of course, we're gonna go with some Argentinian chorizos today and some bread. That's it. This is delicious, my goodness. Goodness, it's not that I got in a little better the weather, but I already ate a little bit of food. I'm about to eat my chorizo. Sorry about that noise. I'm about to eat my chorizo, and just being out here makes me feel so good. Minus the noise, of course. Minus the noise, but listen, I'm grateful for everything that I have. I'm grateful for your life, supporting me on the other side of the screen. I'm grateful for my pets, and I'm grateful for the food, you know. Well, day one has concluded. This is where we're standing. We still don't know what I'm gonna do in terms of the grass, but I do know I want grass, and there's no other option but grass. And that's where we are right now. That's where we are right now, Cocoa. That's it for today. We're going inside and having a coffee because it is cold.